I wonder what lives here. Let's take a closer look in the plants and see what we discover. Wow, there are so many plants and animals living together in this habitat. Let's make a habitat of our own. Let's start by adding some rocks and branches. Click on the things in the tray to learn about them. When you are ready to add something, click the book to close it. These branches that have fallen from the tree make great homes for all kinds of bugs. These branches that have fallen, drag the branch to the ground. Let's keep going. Plants. Flowers. Now we can choose a plant to add. You can always use my book to learn more information. Flowers have a watery liquid inside called nectar that many animals like to eat. Leafy plants are good food for lots of bugs. Flowers have a watery juice inside called nectar. I wonder what animals will drink it. Let's look around. Wow, this is so interesting. Let's keep going. Now we get to add animals. Lots of different animals live together here. Let's pick one and learn what happens. Worm. Leaf cutter ant. The ant's sharp mouth parts help them cut leaves into smaller pieces so they can carry them. Earthworms have an important job in making soil healthy for plants, and they're also food for other animals. Earthworms make tunnels by eating the soil. I notice each time we add to the habitat, new plants and animals can live there. Roly-poly, tiger beetle larva. Roly-polies help keep soil healthy by eating things that are old and rotting. The tiger beetle larva eats all kinds of insects like aphids, ants, and ladybugs. Look, we're going up. I wonder what we'll discover. Different animals can be found living here. I wonder what we'll find. Oak treehopper, two-striped grasshopper. Treehoppers eat sap. That's a sticky liquid found in the stem of the plants. Grasshoppers eat lots of different plants. Treehoppers can be very colorful. What do you notice about the colors of the other bugs? We can take a closer look at the plants and animals with this magnifying glass. The treehopper has 6 legs that help it move around or jump quickly when it needs to run away. Flowers provide food for many animals in this habitat. The shape of the treehopper helps it camouflage. It looks just like a thorn or a bump on a plant. Flowers can be many different shapes and colors. These plants give lots of animals food and a place to hide. There are lots of different kinds of plants in this habitat. Roly-polies are small and have 7 sets of legs. Roly-polies protect themselves by rolling up in a ball. I notice the earthworm's body is made of many parts that look like rings. Roly-polies are small and have 7 sets of legs. Ladybug larva, praying mantis nymph. Ladybug larvae eat lots and lots of aphids. The praying mantis nymph eats small insects like aphids and ants. Ladybug larvae eat lots and lots of aphids. This is a nymph, or a baby praying mantis. I wonder how it will change as it grows. The praying mantis fold up their front legs and can very quickly reach out to grab other insects to eat. Some animals eat fallen leaves and plants. Two-striped grasshopper. Ladybug larva. Ladybug larvae eat lots and lots of aphids. Grasshoppers eat lots of different plants. These are larvae, or baby ladybugs. How will they need to change to be adult ladybugs? The ladybug larva is black, with red spots. This is the adult mantis. It looks similar to when it was a nymph, but now it has wings. These plants give lots of animals food and a place to hide. The mantis has 5 eyes. It has 2 large eyes and 3 smaller eyes. It can see very well. Let's keep exploring. Monarch caterpillar. Swallowtail caterpillar. Monarch caterpillars only eat from one plant, called milkweed. The swallowtail caterpillar eats lots and lots of plants. Caterpillars change into butterflies. I wonder what color this butterfly will be. If it thinks it's in danger, the swallowtail caterpillar will stick out an orange horn-like part and let out a stinky smell. Honeybee. Yellow jacket wasp. Honeybees make honey. They collect nectar from flowers, then take it back to their home to make honey. Yellow jacket wasps eat flower nectar and plant sap. Honeybees make... Wasps live in groups called colonies. Monarch caterpillar. Honeybee. Caterpillars are the baby form of butterflies. I wonder what colors and patterns this butterfly will have. The ladybug is now an adult. It has a red shell with spots on it. I noticed the swallowtail butterfly's wings have a special shape that looks like little tails. I noticed this ladybug is red with black spots, but ladybugs can be lots of different colors, and some have no spots at all. Roly-polies protect themselves by rolling up in a ball. Wow, this is so interesting. Let's keep going. I wonder what we'll find. Bumblebee. Ruby-throated hummingbird. Bumblebees eat nectar and pollen from flowers. The hummingbird drinks nectar from flowers. It can fly in one place while it eats from the flower. The ruby-throated hummingbird is a small bird that flaps its wings very fast. It can fly around from spot to spot very quickly. Hummingbirds eat by sticking their long, skinny bill and tongue into flowers to drink its watery nectar. This hummingbird likes to drink from orange and red flowers best. American robin. Loggerhead shrike. The robin loves to eat earthworms and also eats lots of different insects, fruits, and berries. The shrike eats all kinds of things, including lizards, insects, and even small birds. Sometimes the robin bird hops along the ground looking for its food. The robin has a bright yellow beak and white circles around its eyes. The yellow jacket protects itself with its stinger when it feels threatened or frightened. You can spot a monarch caterpillar by its yellow, white, and black stripe pattern. Butterflies have different wing shapes and patterns. They are not only interesting to look at, they can help camouflage them from predators. We finished our habitat. I love nature. Let's keep exploring. You can keep exploring, or you can make another habitat. Do you want to start a new habitat? Backyard life.